Hey guys, what's up? Myself Swapnil Srivastava, and today I'm going to tell you the best emulator for your Android device. So previously I shown you an Bochs x86 PC emulator which is used for running Windows operating system or Android device, and I shown you how you can run Windows XP or Windows 7 over your Android device by using this Bochs x86 emulator. So if you're interested, you can check it in my channel. And now today I'm going to tell you another emulator for your Android device, and this emulator is much faster than the Bochs x86 emulator for your Android. So this emulator name is Limbo PC Emulator. You can see I already installed it. Here it is. I will put down the link of download, so you can download it from there. Let me open it. You can see it's Limbo PC Emulator. When you open it, you will see there are a lot of these options that is present here that you will not get in the Bochs x86 PC Emulator for Android. So you can see here is so many options here. So now I'm going to show you running Windows XP my Android device, and this time it will not take much time in boot up. So it will boot up in almost 5 to 10 minutes, and this is pretty much fast in comparison to the Bochs x86 PC emulator for Android that I shown in my previous videos. So let me show what are the options available in this. Here you can see you can load a machine. When you click on the load machine, you can just create a new machine. Here you can see I just run the Windows XP, Kali Linux, Ubuntu, Windows 7 and Windows 95 and all others virtual machine I created here. So you can also here see that. Let me once run the Windows XP. You can see I will click on a new and type here Windows, sorry for that mistake, Windows XP SP3, and now I'm going to create a new virtual machine which name is Windows XP SP3. And here you can see the user interface I'm going to select is a SDL. So you can also connect it through the VNC viewer, but I'm going to select the SDL type operating system. And now you're going to select the architecture. You can also change the architecture into the x64 or x86. I'm going to select the x86. X86 means that 32-bit operating system. So I selected x86 operating system, and now I'm going to select the CPU model. So I will recommend you to select the QEMU 32. You can also see that there is a lot of options available here. There is a Core Duo and Pentium to Pentium 3, Athlon, and all types of the CPU model that's available in the market. So I'm going to select the QEMU 32, and here you can see you can select the CPU cores that you want to give to your virtual machine. So I have a quad core processor. I'm going to give it 2 cores, any dual core processor. Here about the RAM, you can just give the RAM according to your RAM. I'm going to just give it almost 1 GB of RAM. Here you can see there is an option of storage. So here you can create a multiple hard disks for your virtual machine. Here is hard disk 1, hard disk B, hard disk C, hard disk D. So I'm gonna to select on the hard disk first and create on click on a none. And here you can see here is an option of new, create a new hard disk. So I'm not going to create a new hard disk. I will just click on the open and select a image file of Windows XP that I stored in my internal storage. So you can also just do it. You can I will put on the link below for the Windows XP image file that you can use for running Windows XP by using this PC emulator. So you can see I go to the internal storage. One more thing I like to tell you that when you will install the Limbo PC emulator, this app automatically create a folder inside your internal storage names Limbo, and you have to just uh, copy your image file in that folder. You can see there is a Limbo folder in my internal storage. Click let me show you. When you open it, you can see I just put it the xp.image file in this file. So I'm going to just select it for a hard disk A. You can see I just selected a hard disk, and when I click on the run, it will boot up from this hard disk. You can also see that there is a 4 more hard disks that is normally your computer has. You can also see here a set folder option. For removable storage, you can also see here is a CD-ROM. So when you click on it and click on the none, you can also click on the open and select any ISO files that you want to install over your virtual machine. So I don't gonna to do this. I just going to boot up a Windows XP by using this hard disk image. So here you can see there is video display. Just let it as it is. Don't disturb this. So you can see the option of VGA display, the sound card, the network card, DNC server. Here you can also the boot from device. You can see that Here you can select default, or here you can uh, select a CD-ROM, floppy disk, hard disk. So I'm going to just select on a default, and here I will click on the full screen and the land escape mode, or here in the keyboard layout is English language. So when you set up all this, just click on the play button. So you can see when I click on the play button, the Windows XP installation will begin. So you can see that it will say start Windows save mode. I will just click on the back and keyboard option and select the start Windows normally. You can see that it's booting up, and it will boot up in a very fast speed. In the previous video I shown you the Bochs Emulator, and it takes a lot of time in booting up Windows XP, and here you can see it's booting up. It takes almost 5 to 10 minutes. You can see it is currently 1 to 9 p.m. and let's see in how much time it does boot up Windows XP in your device. uh, Let me just clear the RAM. You can see it's already 1 GB free over there. By using let me tell you one more thing, that by using this simulator you can also run Windows 10 or run any other Windows operating system that you want to run. Just to do this, you have to just install a Windows 10 over an image file and put that in your internal storage and select a hard disk for that image file, and when you click on the run, it will run it. Or here you can also run the Kali Linux by using that ISO file, and just direct it to the CD-ROM options, and you will select the Kali Linux ISO, and will you click on the run, it will start the installation process. So just follow all the instructions. You can see it's booting up, and it takes some time as it's not a computer, it's Android device, but still it's running very fast. You can see the Bochs Emulator is taking so much time. As I shown you, it takes almost 1 to 1.5 hours. You can see it just completed that process, and now you can see it's going to open the start screen. Let it open. Let me see, is there notification in cancel out that? Yeah, it's taking some time. You can see that there is a cursor icon coming out here, mouse option, and you can see just it's very smooth experience. In the Bochs Emulator it's running very slower and it's not usable, but this Limbo PC Emulator makes Windows XP usable over your Android device. So let it open fully. It's taking some time. I think it's past 2 minutes when I click on the install, run. You can see it's booting up. So this Limbo PC Emulator is still on the work as the PC Emulator I shown you previously. So it is also in a beta project and developers working on it. So you will also get a faster speed in comparison to this. So wait for that until you can use that version that I am using. I will put a link. Don't worry about this. I will also put the Windows XP and Windows 95 image file link in the description, so you have to download it from there, and Limbo PC Emulator link in the description. You should also download it from here and just follow the instruction I shown you, and you will see that your Android will run Windows XP or any other operating system that you want to run over your Android device. So you can see it's showing the welcome screen, and it's pretty much faster than the Bochs Emulator that I shown you previously. So let me tell you that for the mouse keyboards, you can just select just connect an OTG cable over your Android and connect any mouse or keyboard that you want, or otherwise you can just select your mouse, your volume up and volume down button. Your volume up button will act like a mouse left click, and volume down will act like a volume mouse right click. Let it open. Let me show you. It's taking some time. You can see it's 3 minutes past, and you can see just opened up. Let all the process will complete. Let it boot up fully. You can see here is the start menu option, recycle bin, and time of the computer. You can see it's booting up. You can see it's just booted up. Let it complete all the booting process. It's very much fun for that. You can just create an image file of Windows 10 and just try it. You can see it just booted up. Now I am click on the start button. I will just going to click the volume up button for the mouse left click. You can see I click on it and it's going to open. Sorry, just taking some time more. You can see it's opened, and you can see the cursor is running very smooth. As I just swipe over my screen, the mouse cursor is also running in a direct direction with this constant speed. So you can see here you get all the options of my computer, my document. I'm going to go control panel. Let me show you. It will run faster in comparison to Bochs x86 PC Emulator for Android. You can see here you can see his control panel is opening up. Here are all the options: add hardware, add or remove softwares, and administrative tools, date and time, display, folder options, and internet option, mouse, keyboard, network connections, all the stuff that you will see in your Windows XP. You can also just go to any other options. Let me show you. I will go to the uh, my computer. You can see I'm going to my computer. So if you want to add an additional hard disk, you can just add your SATA or any hard disk device to hard disk B, and you will see it will be shown up here. You can see I just only connected only one hard disk, that is local disk C here, and that has the Windows XP image. So you can also just add any other hard disk and just keep any files in it and install the software from that. It will open there. You can see. So it's very similar to Windows XP normal usage in your computer. And let me just click on the refresh. You can see the refreshing up. So you can see it's. So this is the PC Limbo PC Emulator. That's all about. I'm going to I wanting to show you. So it's run very faster than the Bochs Emulator. So you have to try. Just make a try on it, and you will pleased to see the speed of the Limbo PC Emulator. So thanks guys for watching this video, and hope you like this. And if you like, please click on the like button below and comment for any questions. And one more thing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's helped me a lot. So thanks for watching my video. Good luck. Bye. Take care.